systems are always subjected to the most exacting tests in harsh environments and under extreme climatic conditions. In order to ensure constant availability and accuracy, the systems need to receive corrective and preventive maintenance. With over 25 years' experience of serving the Swiss Army as a center of excellence, RUAG offers a wide range of maintenance, repair and overhaul services for domestic and international customers and partners. The scope of our services does not just cover subsystems, but also all MRO services for a wide range of platforms. Whether it's mechanics, optronics, electronics, hydraulics, or thermodynamics, many of the world's leading nations already entrust their systems and components to us as a full-service provider and certified partner. The MRO services provided by RUAG offer a degree of Swissness in the broadest sense. This means that we deliver a top-quality service at competitive prices from our location in the center of Europe. Where necessary, we will also carry out certain work directly at our customers' premises. To get systems back to customers as quickly as possible, we optimize our processes and employ a computer-controlled warehouse management system to keep turnaround times short. All of the systems and components are of course tested extensively before leaving our MRO service center, as there are no compromises when it comes to quality. The members of the MRO team carry out their work to the highest standard. Our relentless pursuit of perfection provides us with the motivation to give you our best. Our mission is to make yours a success everywhere.